Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment, and I got a box. I have no idea what's in this box. I don't remember ordering anything, and it says it's a lithium battery. So let's see what's inside. And for those who's new to my channel, they don't know, I get happy because I get a box. Because I get to use the knife. I get to use the knife on the box. Oh, okay. Come on. Cut like butter. Cut like butter. Wow. Okay, POWERADD Cell. Okay. Let's see. Wow. This is how it looks inside. And it's got a little, it's got a little doggy and a little catty, like a little bookmark. I regular books still, so please contact us if your item has any problem. It's got a little tassel. This is just so cute. And it has a recharger and has a nice little mesh bag for carrying. Let's see what this is. It's a battery pack by POWERADD. Wow, this looks cool. I got to do it up close because for those who don't know, I don't do nothing tech without reading it, even if it's basic, because somebody out there may not understand. It comes with a little booklet, and the booklet has many different languages. This must have came from one of the groups I've just joined, so I'm going to take a picture of it. I'm going to thank them, and then I am going to charge it up, read the instructions, and then tell y'all how this is. I have a power bank. I showed it in my video that I'll probably put up here. It's a book bag, but it's big and it has many components. This one where you could charge 4 things, but this one looks like you could charge one thing, which is great. I like it that it's in this breathable pouch. I think it's so cute. It's solid, and I just wanted y'all to see it up close. This is the input. This is the USB. It's 1,000 megahertz of power. It weighs about 172 grams. And right here is the power button. And it's also a power light indicator. This indicator right here, but then each bar will go down. But that's your power light. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee. Honeybees. Honeybees.